Good day guys, is your LinkedIn account showing temporarily restricted? Don't worry, you can recover it. In this 2025 update, I'll walk you through the exact steps. So firstly, you need to log in to LinkedIn. You'll see a message saying your account is temporarily restricted. Click the verify your identity button. LinkedIn will usually ask for one of these three things. Firstly, a phone number for SMS verification, a government issued ID, confirmation of account ownership through email. If asked for ID, take a clear photo and upload it directly through LinkedIn secure form. Also, LinkedIn typically responds within 24 to 48 hours with the next steps or an account unlock confirmation. If you don't hear back, go to LinkedIn Help Center, contact us, then get help from us. Open a support ticket explaining your situation. While waiting, avoid creating new accounts. It can make recovery harder. And that's how to recover your temporarily restricted LinkedIn account in this year. Like the video if this helped and subscribe for more fast account recoveries. And I'll see you soon in the next one.